This is going to be epic. We're on our way to get another Sunny. But first, here's why. It was a chilly October afternoon, and I was sitting in the car park, parked once again, when a girl who was very new to driving decided to come in and try to reverse into this space over here. However, she didn't know what she was doing and reversed straight into here, causing a big crash. And it was a pretty big thud, actually. I shouted at first in my car, got out, looked at it, and saw there is some damage to my bumper, as in my bumper was normally like this, and now it's like this with a little kink there. So it's just slightly damaged. However, to get it fixed is about £650. So that's a lot of money. So I phoned her up. Actually, no, I didn't phone her. I messaged her, texted her, and yeah, I got her number. So yeah, if you want to get a girl's number, have her crash into you. And she agreed to pay an amount to get a new Sunny, which means that I got a new car, and you'll see that in a second. And over here there were police, and so just over here was police. I think they were raiding a house because there were several police parked outside of a house, and they kept multiplying, so I think there was something with that house. But once again, I was parked, there were police, and someone hit me. And that is how someone reversed into me again. By the way, I haven't actually seen the car yet. All I've seen is this ad here. I think this is the place. Yep, shows here. Here is my new Sunny spray. Or well, new to me, because as you can see it's not exactly new. But this will be its fairly permanent resting place for a little bit at least, as I need to get it running and road legal again. It's only slightly damaged, you know, no dents or anything. A little bit of sun damage, a few scratches on the bumper, which aren't actually as bad as mine. A little bit of rust here. Overall, it's fairly rusty, especially this arch here, which is completely rusting away, and we'll need a bit of welding to be going again, and I don't know how to weld. Then, moving inside. This is where the car really shines. It has the rear headrests, which mine lacks, and I've been looking everywhere for, and are really hard to find. It also has this little flap here, which opens, and need to get mine. The fan actually works on one if this car had a working battery, and this switch actually works, unlike mine. However, I lack basically any mechanical knowledge beyond changing the oil and tires, so to move all of this stuff over to my car, I'm either going to have to learn quickly or pay someone to do it. It's got that kind of old car smell. Let's see if it has a spare tire. No. No, it doesn't. We could search in the footwells, maybe? Nope. No spare tire in there at all. Well, good thing we don't need a spare tire.
Oh, he's stealing. How do you get this off? Oh, he's broken it.
World's worst thief.
Oh, he's stealing.
I swear, officer, these were here the whole time.